Hi, today I'm going to be installing new LED headlights, high beams and low beams, and front turn signals in my 2017 Honda Accord Coupe. Alright, so what I've got here are lights from Lasfit. Their website's lasfit.com. They got various different applications of LED bulbs on their website, as well as many other products, some products for Jeeps and trucks, some off-road things, a lot of lights, floor mats, things like that. So check out their website, see what they have available. All right, so what I've got are low beams. I've got the LA Air H8, 9, and 11. It's supposed to fit any of those light variations. These bulbs are 50 watts per bulb, 5,000 lumens per bulb. And then for the turn signals, I've got the Lasfit T37443D. These are the switchback lights. So when I turn them on as running lights, they're supposed to be clear, and then when I switch them to turn signals, they'll turn to amber. And then for the high beams, I have the LC Air 9005. These are 35 watt bulbs. The low beams are supposed to be 600% brighter than halogen, and then the high beams, I believe, are 40% brighter than halogen. So they ship them in these neat little boxes. The headlight bulbs are going to come with their own set of gloves for installation, as well as a little product manual. There's the low beams. And then the high beams have the same things, and then they also included some spare O-rings in case we need those for installation. All right, so I'm going to do like my other Lasfit video, and I'm going to go install one side of the lights in the car. That way we'll be able to get a good side-by-side comparison. All right, so let's take a look at the lights here. These are the original halogens. You know, when I first bought this car, these lights were a whole lot brighter than my 7th gen Accord, and I was really happy with the performance of them. But then once I put the LEDs in the 7th gen, these things just look so yellowish now going down the road that I've got to change them. They're pretty irritating after looking at LED lights to see this yellowish tint to it. All right, so there's the starting. So let's see what it looks like after. Okay, I got the driver's side installed. All right, so there's my switchback bulb for the running light turn signal. Low beam and high beam. All right, so look at that, and then check this out. Look at how yellow those things look compared to the LEDs. Nice and bright, white, modern looking. And then the halogens just look so yellow to me now. That's why I said I can't go back anymore. All right, so there's the clear running light. Let me turn on the flashers for you. Pretty huge difference with the intensity of them. The switchbacks on my 7th gen, the 2003, you can really see those reflect off of road signs, like when you're stopped at a stoplight and see the street signs. There's a big reflection compared to the halogens because they're so much brighter. All right, let me go ahead and get the passenger side put on, and then I'll show you how they all look all together. All right, all done. Driver's side, passenger side. All right, something I wanted to mention for install for the turn signals. LEDs are light emitting diodes. They only let electricity go through one direction. So for the turn signals specifically, if you plug them in and they don't work, unplug it, flip it around, and then plug it back in. It should work. So you want to definitely check those before you put them back in the housing. headlights, there's no way to install those wrong. There's only one way those things plug in. All right, let's hit the flashers, see what they look like. I'm gonna turn off the headlights, make it easier to see. I'll give you the parking lights here. Big difference in brightness. Okay, so once again, lasfit.com. Go check them out, see what kind of products they have. And I wanted to add that someone on my other video made a comment that said that Lasfit was the only company they had found where the turn signals didn't hyper flash. You've probably noticed cars out on the road where they have LEDs in there and they turn on the turn signals and they flash super fast. That's the hyper flash. So these do not do that. Engineered to not hyper flash. All right, lasfit.com. Thanks a lot for watching the video. We'll see you soon.